Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Isaac, Simple and Real. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Kindly, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, or if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. This is a channel where we talk about issues concerning averting HIV and sexually transmitted infection stigma in our society. And we usually say that being positive about HIV is not necessarily being HIV positive. Today, we'll be discussing a totally different thing, and we'll be talking about how pinworm infestation can mess you up. Pinworm is also called Enterobius vermicularis. I'm also curious. Let's learn. Meanwhile, subscribe. Now, the infection comes with the ingestion of food, vegetable, fruits, or water which is contaminated with pinworm embryonated eggs. Basically, the contaminated products are ingested, that is either food or vegetables or fruits or water, ingested from your mouth down to your stomach. Unfortunately, in your stomach, they are able to escape the acidic medium and they are able to proceed to the small intestine. Now, let's see what happens in the small intestine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the small intestine, things happen. Basically, the embryonated eggs hatch out and release larvae. Now, this larvae proceeds from the small intestine all the way through the colon to the cecum. Now, at the cecum, this is where the larvae mature up into adult male and female pinworm, what we also called Enterobius vermicularis. Are we together up to this point? Thank you. Let's proceed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, things happen. Basically, the adult pinworms mate, and after mating, the gravid female proceeds further to the perianal folds, whereby she lays eggs. Now, these eggs have various impacts. At the perianal folds, they cause a lot of itchiness, which cause the victim or the patient who is suffering from this kind of infestation to scratch their anal folds very much. And with this, they are able to scoop the fertilized eggs from the perianal folds to their nails. Now, when they get to eat food or vegetables or fruits without observing proper hand hygiene, they will automatically ingest these fertilized eggs again, causing auto-infection to themselves. Also, unluckily, if they defecate, that is, they release feces in the open, they are able, this contaminated feces will release these eggs. And if these eggs lands one in vegetables, fruits, or water, and it is ingested without proper hygiene, that is, without proper cleaning or without proper boiling, the victim is able to get contaminated or get the infection. So this point is the infective stage, and also it is the diagnostic stage, because by taking feces under a microscope, you'll be able to make a diagnosis, or you'll be able to isolate the eggs of pinworm, and a diagnosis can be made and treatment can be done at this point. Also, something that I had forgotten to say is that fertilized eggs mature, that is, in the anal folds between 4 and 6 hours. So at this point, they can be able to be transmitted effectively to another victim, or auto-infected or auto-transmitted to the victim through scratching their anal folds and then ingesting foods without proper hand hygiene. Are we together up to this point? Also, another thing that I had forgotten to say is that when this victim is scratching their anal folds and maybe they are sleeping and they get to touch their fomites, they can be able to spread their bedmates through ingestion of dusts from the fomites. Are we together up to this point? Fomites and beddings. Are we together up to this point? Thank you. And this comes to the end of our discussion today. Kindly, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscription button, like, and share. This is Isaac. Bye bye.